could learn.
Yeah.
Going with the little dots on its head.
The one right there.
And it got a little dot spot
The
on
one
its
that's
back.
flying that other dog.
She's not sure. She thinks she's doing something wrong.
Give me.
And
Here, you want to hold him?
let
Give me.
me see her for a minute. Let me see. Gotcha. And sometimes you can change them around how they are.
I don't think
No, not yet.
For a little bit. She may have to go pooping. Let's put her in here and see if she's got to go pooping. If she wants to see them one more time.
Where's the mom? Where's mom?
And they're saying, hey, who have you been there?
Mom's right.
This is the last time you're going to see these guys, baby.
Cutie.
Yeah,
Video of ya. Cutie. Little girl.
Here we turn her around
Oh,
here.
look at that little tail. You'll have fun with Chloe.
I'll come back with you. Yeah, we can come Wednesday, or we'll let Angela know.
Baby. I'm a pretty little girl, I am. We've got everything.
Yeah. Got the puppy, Nadia's got the puppy. Now, how do I do this?
You go out or in.
Nope,
Look at you too.
Nope.
You guys gonna be good? All right.
Okay.
All right, Angela, we'll see you Wednesday.
All right, puppies.
But we'll give you a call.
We'll see you later. Bye, little one. Bye, cutie. We'll be back for ya. We'll be back for ya.
She likes you.
We'll be back.
She's gonna love you.
We'll be back, honey.
She got enough little too, but I was like,
Nah. Luna. Come here, Luna.